In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much money YouTube paid me in the first 30 days of being monetized with 1,000 subscribers. If you're curious about how much money a small YouTuber can make, then the next few minutes will be very eye-opening for you. Now, in a nutshell, to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, or you can also have 10 million YouTube Shorts views in the past 90 days. You also need to follow YouTube's community guidelines and create a Google AdSense account in order to get paid. Once you hit those requirements, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program in your YouTube settings. To do this, go into your YouTube Creator Studio, go down to the side dashboard to the Earn button, and then that will walk you through the prompts on how you can start getting set up to get paid. YouTube will review your channel to make sure it follows their rules, and this process usually takes a few days to a week. If everything gets checked out, you will be accepted and YouTube will start showing ads on your videos. So once you're monetized, you earn money from ads and YouTube pays you through AdSense once you reach $100. Basically, if an ad pops up on your video and somebody clicks on the ad, you get paid a small portion from YouTube. So the more views you can get on your channel, the more people are likely to be shown ads, which means they'll click on those ads, and then the more money you make. So without further ado, let's dive into my YouTube analytics. So in the last 28 days, my channel got 8,064 views. So 8,000 views, I got 450 hours of watch time and a total of 86 new subscribers. So let's look at the top videos that have been performing well for me. I paid for ChatGPT 4, so you don't have to. 3 solopreneur businesses that can make you rich in 2025. 6 psychological tricks gurus use to sell you. This simple file management system changed my life. Building your first membership site with Kajabi. Toby Chrome extension walkthrough 2023 review, and the top 10 skills to make money online in 2024. The list goes on, but those are going to be some of the top videos that have really worked well. And if you're curious, about getting views and stuff, if you make product review videos, those can actually be great, especially if they're very popular products, because people want to look into that. And then those products can actually run ads on your videos. And if somebody's looking into it and then they see an ad about the product and how they can get a good deal for it or a free trial or something like that, then they'll click on it, which means you get paid more. So you're getting the views and you're getting targeted people who are more likely to click on those ads. So if you're trying to make money on YouTube through AdSense, the type of content you create does have a big effect on how much money you're actually going to make. Typically, finance-related niches are going to allow you to make a lot more money just because the type of viewer that's watching it, they're interested in making more money. So if they have some ad that can help them make more money, it's usually just going to be a recipe for success for you. That'd be a lot more profitable than you just making funny videos about cat memes or something. So without further ado, let's look at how much money I got paid based on all of this information. So again, 8,000 views, 450 hours of watch time, 86 new subscribers in the last 28 days. Drumroll, please. I made $80.61. Can't really live off that, right?
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
And if you're thinking right now, well, James, aren't you like a business marketing guy, and you're only making $80? The thing is that I've made a lot more money than $80. The way that I see it, AdSense is just some extra money that comes through in my business, extra pocket change you can think of. It's not my pure focus, because there's a big difference between you being what's called a views tuber like Mr. Beast, who's accumulating a mass amount of views and making the biggest videos that they possibly can. The problem with that is that it leads to burnout in most people. And even if they're getting a lot of views, they're probably not making a whole lot of money despite the amount of work that they're putting into it. So my approach to building a business is a lot more efficient, and I like to use YouTube, but not work for YouTube, if that makes sense. Because if we look over at my business in the last year, I have made, to date anyway, $99,088, but that doesn't include affiliate programs that I also have, which is going to be between $20,000 or $30,000 on top of this. So what I want you to think about is that, yes, I may have made $80 from YouTube in the last 28 days and getting thousands of views and all that kind of stuff. And in the world of YouTube, I am a very small creator, but quite frankly, I can still have $10,000 months from my YouTube channel. It definitely fluctuates for sure, but I'm at least making thousands of dollars every single month consistently, without a doubt. And I've been doing this since I had 200 subscribers. So I was monetizing my YouTube channel without being monetized on YouTube. And the way I do that and help my clients do it is by creating specific targeted content that attracts the right kind of people that I want to attract. And then I invite them to join my email list where I can deepen my relationship, show my credibility, speak to the pain points that they have, and offer programs that solve those problems. I do this through affiliate products, digital products like online courses and membership sites, but I also do private one-on-one coaching with people as well. So what YouTube does is build this relationship with people. Typically, what happens is people find one of my videos and then they say, oh, this guy seems cool. And then they watch 5 or 10 of my videos. And all that's doing is building trust with them. And then they join my email list or look into my website and see that they can book a call with me or check out my products. And then they decide if they want to buy. But the beauty of this is that it's always working for me in the background, whether I'm working or not. And that's the power of using YouTube. So if you are getting started on your YouTube journey, or maybe you've been at this for a while, it's just the way that you're playing the game. If you can make a small change to that, you can end up making a lot more money, especially if you're teaching people how to do something online. You're sharing your expertise, your knowledge, a skill set that you've developed. You can end up making a lot of money through YouTube without ever being monetized. Of course, if you stick with it long enough, you will get monetized, and then you can start making AdSense as extra pocket change like me. If you want to learn how to do this in your own life in business, I created a full masterclass that's hosted on my website. It's exclusive to people who join my email list, and it's going to show you how to earn $2,000 per month from digital products without complicated tech or overwhelming funnels. It's a simple system that anybody can follow as long as you have expertise, knowledge, or skill sets that you want to turn into an online business like I have and my clients have as well. To get access to that masterclass, there's a link in the description, or you can always go to profityourknowledge.com/masterclass. Regardless, if you want to start making money with YouTube, you don't need to be monetized or get millions and millions of views and subscribers on your channel. Obviously, that stuff is great, and the more you grow, the better off you're going to be. But I've met a lot of people who make way more views. They get a lot more views and subscribers than I do, but they don't make nearly as much money as I do. And when I talk to them, they're just blown away at how I've been able to do it myself. So if you want to get started on monetizing your YouTube channel without subscribers, like literally from day one, check out this video and I will give you a deep dive on the process that I've used to start making money from YouTube. I hope this was insightful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.